Welcome to a culinary journey that takes us across the globe, through the art of dumpling making. From delicate Chinese dim sum to hearty Eastern European pierogies, we'll explore the diversity of dumplings. Let's start with the dough. The foundation of any dumpling, it's all about achieving the right texture. Next, we dive into the heart of the dumpling, the filling. Bursting with flavors, it's a world of its own. Now, let's fold. Each culture has its unique folding technique, giving each dumpling its distinct appearance. And finally, the cooking. Whether steamed, boiled, or fried, each method brings out unique flavors. Dumplings are more than just food. They hold cultural significance, often being a centerpiece of celebrations. From their origins to the stories behind them, each dumpling carries a piece of its culture's heritage. And it's not just about the taste. The art of dumpling making is a way to connect with these cultures. So, are you ready to embark on your own dumpling adventure? Unleash your creativity, experiment with flavors, and impress your loved ones with your dumpling crafting skills. Join us in celebrating the diversity of flavors and techniques found in dumplings from around the world.